Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this key fob. This is out of an old school Chrysler Sebring. You're going to need a flat tip screwdriver, about that size is going to work. And then 2 of the 2016 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. First thing you want to do is right here, give that a twist. These fobs are pretty old, but they seem pretty durable. Now right here, getting this out is a little tricky. You want to get a nice skinny screwdriver and just super gently pry out the control board. You have access to your 2 batteries there. You can take both those out like that. And your new ones go in. They both go positive side facing down. So just like that. Then this, there's kind of tabs here, 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 and here. And you just want to get that seated underneath those. And then squeeze that back together and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Take care.